My dear Gemini, wow, December 2025 is your cosmic playground of possibilities. Yes, you have been stuck. You have been stuck in your career, your love life, everywhere. I know, Gemini. Really, just imagine now breezing through this month with your brilliant mind, lightening the way for success, love, and deep personal growth. What if this is the month where your intuition becomes crystal clear, helping you navigate career crossroads, finances, and relationships with ease? Isn't it beautiful to feel your inner light shine so brightly? Stay with me, my friend, for your full December reading. Before we dive deep, please hit subscribe and like and comment below to tell me what you are most excited about this month. Let's unlock your magic together. Starting off with your career. So, dear Gemini, your vibrant mind is your greatest asset this December. You know, Gemini, you people doubt yourself a lot. You are already confident, but you doubt yourself. You feel you're not confident. You think about what other people will say, right? So, this is the month where you have to just remove all these thoughts which are creating blockage in your success. Okay. And also seeing a crossroad, okay, where your next steps could chart a powerful new course, definitely. There are two paths, and you need to decide. You need to decide and take one path that's there. And seeing a moment of decision and direction here, okay, to put it in right words, I would say. And imagine the feel of clarity washing over you as you finally hone in on what truly matters. We have two of wands, okay? You are not ready here, but you have to get ready here. This is very important, okay? I know you are not ready, but you have to get ready. You have no choice, my dear. The path is opening up for you. Enough of self doubt now. Get up, get dressed, and just go. You may face professional challenges this month, I'm seeing, and it is going to test your adaptability. But at the same time, I'm also seeing some rewarding opportunities are going to open up. Okay. If you listen to both intuition and intellect, because you're intellectual also and your intuition is also strong. Okay. And here the collaboration is the key. So work with the right people. If you work with the right people, if you have the right mentors, it can really open the doors you never expected even. Okay. And yes, balance your youthful energy with strategic leadership and be grounded. That is the advice from the card. If I say the mid month of December, I'm seeing some kind of distractions happening in your workplace, in your career. Okay. So whenever you're communicating in the mid month, especially double check the communication, double check the contracts if you're signing. Okay. So be cautious. Whatever document you are signing this month, financial planning will really help you. Okay. And you will be very, very thoughtful of that near the end of the December. Clear budgeting will help you, wise investment choices will help you. And just imagine Gemini walking into 2026 with a detailed plan and an empowered mindset, ready to conquer career goals with both confidence and curiosity. Let's talk about your money and wealth. If I talk about your financial landscape this particular month, I am seeing promise also and I'm seeing caution also. Okay. I'm seeing a lot of confusion. I'm seeing mental clarity is going to come. Though you have confusion, but yes, mental clarity is going to come to your money matters. Just visualize sitting down with your accounts, carefully listing income, outgoings, and setting priorities. Sharp decisions, you have to make sharp decisions and please avoid any unnecessary risk, okay? I'm also seeing some kind of unexpected expenses that may arise this particular month, maybe holiday cost or surprise investments. Okay. Teamwork is going to help you this particular month. Consider advice from trusted financial advisors and then invest. Okay. The fruitful rewards of earlier efforts may begin to pay off this month, but managing cash flows with mindfulness is going to prevent stress. I know this is not a good month with respect to your money matters, but yes, nothing much is going to happen. Okay. Wealth builds not only from abundance, but from control. We all know that. Okay. So picture the calm confidence you feel seeing your balance sheet grow steadily. Okay. So, yes, don't take unnecessary risk this month, my dear Gemini. This is your strongest advice for this month. Let's talk about your health and wellness. I'm seeing some of you are having some hormone issues from the past few months. Okay. If you're a female listening to this, and there is some lifestyle change that happened recently. Okay. And due to that, a lot of things have been affecting your life. And since you have been stressed out a lot, there have been a lot of it is taking a toll on your health altogether. Okay. Please start doing yoga, meditation, whatever suits you and whatever help you feel lighter, because it's very necessary. You people are very tired, stressed, and some of you are in a great depression zone. I'm really getting a very heavy energy here, very, very heavy. And mental health is not good for some of you. Okay. Please be extra careful, pay extra attention to your mental health this particular month also, because you have a very good mind, you have a very good brain, you are very intelligent, but due to this mental health issue, whatever you're going on in your life, going through on your life, what is happening is you're not making the most of it. Okay. You are in a overthinking mode, you're not at peace. So imagine and do some grounding exercises, manage the anxiety with some nature walks or whatever suits you. This is the strong advice from the cards. And nourish your social connections as well. Don't sit at your home, just go out. Okay? Talk with people. Okay? Don't self doubt. Because what will happen, the emotional support is going to foster the resilience. And this month, wellness feels holistic, a beautiful blend of vitality and calm. Okay? And yes, for health and wellness, take your supplements. Some of you have been recommended by your respective doctors some sort of supplements and you're not taking, you're skipping it. Okay. For some of the Geminis. So please take care of your health. It's very, very important. Though it is a general reading, so take only what resonates and leave the rest. For my singles, I'm seeing very good love energy here. Okay, I'm seeing some kind of meaningful connection happening here. Picture yourself meeting someone who stimulates your mind as much as your heart. Someone playful, curious, and open. Okay. But yes, there can be some kind of person who is very superficial, who wore mask. Okay. So, yes, just switch on your intuition and just understand that who this person is. Okay. Before giving any sort of commitment to this person. I know you are seeking some sort of deeper bonds. But yes, there is a possibility that some superficial person may enter in your life this particular month. So be aware of it. Trust your intuition. And some of you might get some sort of signs in dreams or unexpected messages in your inbox. Okay. Yes. So pay attention to those. Patience, patience, patience. Here is golden, my friend. Okay. And let connections grow in their own time. Don't be in a hurry. That is your advice from the card. Let's talk about for Gemini couples. So I'm seeing the transformation happening in your relationship through honest dialogue. Inner reflection is very important here. And share your imperfections with your partner. That is very important. What you can do, what you cannot do. Okay. So there will be a clear understanding between both of you. Yes. I'm also saying that some of you are going to revisit the past conversations to heal and grow stronger together with your partner. And I'm also seeing that you are going to come up on a mutual understanding and on a more clarity by revisiting the past conversations, and you will start off a fresh chapter in your relationship. Some of you, for those of you, the things are not good so far. So celebrate the small victories and share dreams, set intentions for the upcoming year because yes, the 2026 is approaching. And for Gemini, 2026 is going to be a lot more uh, full of possibilities, I would say. Okay. So picture your bond solidifying into a team that faces challenge with trust and love. Okay. So that was your reading, Gemini. So December 2025 is your gateway to clarity, connection, and courage. So we have three C's here for Gemini, December: clarity, courage, and connection. Okay. So if this reading awakened your spirit, like this video, comment what you are manifesting this month, and subscribe to Tarot with Donna for your weekly cosmic insights. Your journey is bright, curious, and full of promise. Shine on, my dear Gemini. Much love and light. Bye.